Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. You know, every time when I do cooking, I have these hello ladies. One is Anna. One is Queen Qing. And Queen Qing is a collaborative production with museum, the Palace Museum in Taiwan. So it's a one-time production. And when it is gone, it is gone. I can no longer find it. But we do have some problem. There is a quality problem. We want to find a replacement, and we were never able to find a replacement. So we are looking for new salt grinder. You know, pepper grinder. You can use metal, steel pepper grinder because there's no water, there's no moist pepper grinded. And it's easy to find. A lot of places you can find it. But the salt grinder, it needs to be ceramic. And there are salt grinder made of steel. And those are not for the kind of salt I use. I use salt, Guérande, salt, the Bourdagne. And it's a salt gris, very gray. It looks very ugly. I think if you are comfortable with pristine kind of food, clear white salt, you may not find it appealing. It's a gray color because there is a lot of minerals in it. And it's very, very tasty. I love it. So we use that kind of salt. We buy the big salt and then put in a little dish, 1 tablespoon of salt, and heat it up in microwave oven for 1 minute, and it become dried and cakey. Press a little bit, put into the salt grinder. So we are getting a new salt grinder because that one is broken. It does not secure always a perfect performance, and we want to get a new one. And we went to the shop. There was the shop assistant, very nice, the patron or someone, the shop manager or someone. He knows everything, each design, each series, each color. And they are running out of the Queen Qing, and they have a new production. And this production is not yet big scale into the market. So we get a kind of a pre-production or pre-release of this thing. This is by a new Italian designer. It's not so fun like the other one, but might be interesting to have something new and different. This is a new salt grinder. You put salt inside. This is steel. This part is steel, but the grinding part is ceramic. The grinding part. You can. The good thing, you can loosen it up a little bit, make a bigger grind, or you can tighten it up a little bit, make it a more refined grind. And I was thinking your hand will be, sometimes when you do cooking, can be oily, but this one has a shape to make you easy to hold. This one you just hold, and this one use your hand to grind. Can be left hand, right hand, both way to grind it. And Looks pretty good. They have a gray color, they have a black color, and it's very geometric, industrial, and very cold, modern, and design. Yeah, this is a guy. Design. Constantin Grisic. Constantin Grisic. Pepper grinder and spice grinder. You can use pepper, you can use salt grinder, aluminum, red. It didn't mention the grinder is céramique, but I believe that so we got this one. And this is one of the, and he asked what kind of color you have. Je suis désolée parce qu'on n'a pas les choses. Le Qing est déjà vendu, est déjà fini la série. Et on a quelque chose de plus géométrique, plus industriel. Quelle couleur, tu peux dire, le plus joyeuse, quoi. And so this is the only one that looks a little bit more interesting or colorful. It's gray and things. I need to check this designer. Why does he make it so cold? So you can open up, put in, put back, grind, whichever direction. I think, yeah. No, not this one. This is the 香料研磨器. Oh, there is, says German, Espanol, Japonais, 中国. ZH is Chinese, 中国. Italian, this is Italian product, Alessi. English, there is English. France. Okay, that's it. So we bought it, and they say this is a certain price, and as we pay, that gentleman told us, if you buy something reach to a certain price level, you can get 15% off, something like it. So, as the condition for 15% off, we bought this one. This is one of the things that comparatively more pleasant in that shop. Ta 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 ta. So you can put salt. No, not salt. You can put toothpick, but not only toothpick. You can put a Q-tip, right? I can use it as a Q-tip. This is very fun, Alessi. That is it. So with the discount, this one almost coming as a free. Yeah, because of the discount. But we have to pay this price, right? Yeah, to get that discount. That is it. Okay, another thing I bought is this. So I use my Lamy pen, and I use Lamy calligraphy pen. So this is a wide white edged pen, and I need this. And they are not generic. They are not generic. Have to be Lamy brand. They make it unique, different. So I have those colors. I usually, if you go to Monoprix or go to supermarket in the stationery section, you can find this. They usually carry a lot of this color, this royal blue or cyan blue. A little bit. I do not know the name. Let me see. Made in Germany. Oh, didn't mention the name of the color. Blue washable. And this one is blue. Let me see what this color they say. Green. This is green, of course. This they must be call it turquoise. 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 Is that from Turkey? Turquoise. Turkey. And this one must be sapphire or Prussian. Blue black. Gosh, this is German. They do not have some more romantic way of saying it. How about say it royal blue or cyan blue or Kevin blue? How about say, yeah. And this one, this is very much Kelly green, right? Kelly green. Oh, this time I learned a new word, Kelly green. Kelly green means green very crisp, a little bit like this. A very crisp, very greenish green. And Kelly is actually from the Irish word. Now I totally understand. We went to Ireland, and the land is so green. We were driving to the mountains, to the national parks, and we see just all shades, 50 shades of green, or even more, 51 shades of green. Better than that movie, right? 51 shades of green, all kinds of green. And Kelly green, Kelly. This word is from the Irish word. It's an Irish green. Now it makes sense. How about call this turquoise or sky blue or peacock blue? And this one Prussian blue or sapphire blue. Something make it more. And this one can be neon red or flame red or rose pink or camellia red. Let's see what they use the word. I think they use pink. No mention. No. Oh, no name of it. Just T10. Gosh, the German. Oh, T10, the German. This one, this time I didn't buy any red color because red is for writing. Red is for when you owe someone money, right? It's not a pleasant color, so I didn't buy red. I buy those fancy colors. I'm happy with everything I got. Thank you very, very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Guru, guru, bye. Yeah, bye, 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 bye. One little bit more. Now I am using it. Bye bye. Tutu say bye bye. In Chinese, this is a little rabbit, right? This is tutu. Tutu say bye bye. Tutu say hello. Tutu say bye bye. Bye bye, Tutu. Bye bye.